bag. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
This is my dream, you know. I love Gundam. I watched this when I was a kid, 10 years old.
Oh.
Now I'm here, 20 years later. Alright, because I'm a little bit late, he said that he'll only let me go up to the 5th floor. But look, it's better late than never. And I don't think I can buy another ticket because he said it's more than likely sold out. But look, we're here. It is what it is. Look at that, you know. I went up, I was a bit late, well, half an hour late, and to be honest I didn't think that I'd be let in, but they worked something out, they let me in. I got up there for like 15 to 10 minutes. But I'll tell you one thing, lads, I've been watching Gundam now since I was 10. I don't know, I just got that fuzzy feeling, you know what I mean? The sun is beaming in my eyes, the weather is mad, and I got to visit this place. Look at it. I'm still, can't believe that I'm here in Yokohama, Japan. See, what happened is they didn't let me go up to the very top floor. So I was at the 5th floor there, I was able to see all of that. Then if they wanted me to go up to the 6th floor, I wouldn't have been able to see much. Now that thing normally moves, so I'm just waiting for it to move again. But man, I can't believe it. Another thing's off the bucket list.
Gundam, forward to launch position.
This is like how they build this stuff, eh? Whoa, 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 the man himself, Hiroyuki, you know. Yeah, that's the Gundam factory tour finished, I guess. It's nice to see the project management that went behind all of this and all of the people that got involved. I was pretty shocked to see Hiroyuki was involved in this project too. But look, it's been mad. Childhood dream finished. Came here, did my thing, seen the thing move, and I'm absolutely buzzing right now. I just can't lie to you. Time to go. Off to see another one. There's another Gundam statue in Tokyo Bay. So let's see if my phone will last. Arigato, sayonara. Update. We left Yokohama, is it? Yokohama. Heading back to Tokyo Bay because there's another Gundam statue nearby, the unicorn. To be honest with you, I thought there'd be more Gundam stuff around in Japan. But they seem to scatter it all around Japan. I don't know, to make people travel and visit places, but it is what it is. It's gonna dark sooner than I expected, so the picture might not be as good as I want it to be, but YOLO. Lie, right? I've been able to do a lot of things off the bucket list since I've got here. Visiting the Gundam factory and now this, seeing the other unicorn statue. I might not have been able to see all the other statues scattered across Japan, but look, 2 is better than none.
た未来であなたが